Welcome to our tutorial on understanding the cup and handle pattern in chart analysis, a valuable tool for traders looking to identify buying opportunities. Today, we'll guide you through how to draw and interpret this pattern using a charting tool. The cup and handle pattern is recognized by its resemblance to a teacup. This formation typically signals a continuation of an upward trend and is highly regarded for its reliability in bullish markets. Let's break down the components. First, the cup. It appears as a rounded bottom on the chart, which should ideally be a U shape rather than a V, indicating a gradual and stable recovery from a previous downtrend. For an accurate representation, the cup should have a smooth transition with equal highs on both sides before the decline and recovery. Depth of the cup is also crucial. It usually retraces about 1/3 of the previous move, but this can vary. Following the cup, we look for the handle, which is a smaller pullback from the new high. The handle is often formed by a slight downward drift in prices, resembling a flag or a pennant. It typically does not drop more than 1/3 of the cup's height and should appear on the upper right side of the cup. For drawing this pattern, start by identifying a significant low point that marks the beginning of the cup. Trace the price movement up to a recovery that mirrors the left side of the cup. After the peak, identify a slight downward trend to represent the handle, making sure it doesn't fall too deep or disrupt the formation of the overall pattern. Interpreting this pattern is crucial for making informed trading decisions. The key moment comes when the price breaks out from the handle. This breakout is generally on higher volume and can serve as a confirmation of a continued upward trend. Traders might consider entering a long position after this breakout, setting a stop loss just below the handle to protect against unexpected reversals. To summarize, the cup and handle pattern is a powerful tool that can help traders identify potential opportunities for long positions. By understanding how to properly draw and interpret this pattern, traders can enhance their strategy to better capture trends and set more effective entry and exit points.